So this morning we're off to the water park, Volcano Bay. It'll be our third or fourth visit there, can't remember, haven't done any filming there before. But the way it works is we're going to get there for opening. So we're just at the Abbey Road car park, one of the many car parks here at Hard Rock. And there's a shuttle bus, a free shuttle bus that comes round at about 7 o'clock in the morning. Picks us up, and then it's about a 15-minute, if that, journey to Volcano Bay. And then we, as I say, we get in early entry there, and we have about an hour to ride all the rides before they open the floodgates. And again, it's a bit like Universal, you get on all the major attractions. So Krakatoa, which is a water-based roller coaster, Oh Yeah and Oh No, which are two big drop slides, and a lot of other things basically. We get on there before everybody else. So yeah, we're just waiting for the bus. So as soon as it comes, I'll try and get some pictures of it. So here's the bus just turning up. Well, here's two buses just turning up. We're going to be busy today. So here we are, just got on the bus. As you can see, we're heading for Volcano Bay. The coach drivers have to be pretty good drivers to get out of this car park. It's a bit tight and twisty. But it's probably less than a 10-minute drive now, so I'll film again when we're near the park. Just going past the back of the Universal Studios here on the way to Volcano Bay, to the Islands of Adventure. Tower over there, and Dr. Doom's Tower is there. There's a bud in front of us going to Cabana Bay. To the Sapphire Falls, I think it is, that hotel in the background there, just above the palm trees. The roads around here, including the motorways, they're just absolutely immaculately kept. You know, they're so clean and tidy. There's road crews out working on the vegetation and palm trees and stuff every morning. It's just completely different to what you get at home. The other big thing we've noticed is we haven't hit a single pothole yet, so yeah, well done on that end. So here we are on the final approach. You can see the volcano there through the front window. We just literally get to the end of this road and turn left, and we're there. We'll just park up and we can get out. We have to go through security first, and then we're into the park. Hotels that you can see here have got access. In fact, you can see that gate there, that black gate. They have access straight to the park through that gate. Here we are. So we've just come through security. We're the first ones through security. You head down the ramp, and then you turn right, and it takes you through a tunnel, which I presume is a main road or something underneath. And it leads you to basically a conveyor belt at the end, and the conveyor belt takes you up to the turnstiles where the park starts. You might be able to hear all the Hawaiian music and stuff in the background. So it's all themed, and there you can just see the escalators. So we go on the escalators up to the park, which is nice. Try not to fall over when you get on. Hopefully, being first in, we should have a good view of what you see when you first get here. So it's all Hawaiian / Polynesian themed. Say first in, those are guests from the hotel. They come in a different entrance. We're the first of the normal people, shall we say. The early starters to get in, so you just follow the path round. The vegetation is really nice, the theme is absolutely superb, and you can rent cabanas here. So if you want a tent base that's got a fridge and your own chairs, not that you need it. And there's our first look at Volcano Bay. There we go. And there's the hotel next to it. As I say, those people have got a pass or a road that comes straight down to here, so they can get in earlier than us. But yeah, then you just literally line up at the stations down the bottom here. and you get an armband which they call a tapu, and that basically lets you on all the rides. So we'll come back afterwards. So we've been on the Krakatoa log flume thing, the water coaster, and we're just having a wander around now and making our way back to the rapids, because the rapids have just opened. Early entry gives you an hour to get on the big rides, basically, or the big rides that are open, and then everything else opens at 9 o'clock, so you can't go on the rapids and you can't go on the lazy river until then. That's the kiddies play area. It's like a mini version of Volcano Bay through there. I've got mini water slides and water cannons and all sorts of stuff to keep them amused. We have a really good time over there. Get to the entrance in a minute, if you don't see it properly. There you go. As I say, they've got their own water slides and bridges and pools and water cannons. We're just heading out still to the rapids. The number of times we've been here, we should know this place like the back of our hand, but still get lost. We're just crossing over a bridge now. That's the lazy river. The lazy river, as it says, is quite slow moving, and you have to be in an inflatable, whereas on the rapids you just wear life vests. You're wearing a life vest. And yours truly. There's cabanas and restaurants and all sorts of things around the outside that you can hire. And there's various zones, so we go into the river village zone, and that's the entrance to Krakatoa, the log flume roller coaster thing, water coaster up there. But yeah, so the theme is absolutely excellent. Going over the bridge again. So this is the bridge over the rapids, so this is where we'll be getting in a minute. As you can see, it's much faster flowing, and every lap there's a big gush of water that it looses out, and there's like a big tidal wave comes down, and you can try and ride the wave. There's the back of one of the rides, or the bottom of one of the rides. See another water chute. This is a two-person water chute. Just such a variety of rides. You know, you can go on as a single ride, you can go on as 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. There's just something for everybody here. Some quite extreme water rides and some very relaxing water rides. Here we are approaching the entrance, or one of the entrances to the rapids. Again, theme is absolutely fantastic. Got a nice little sort of quiet bay and beach area. See over the side there, plenty of life jackets for everybody. And the water is lovely and warm. Quite deceptive because it's nice and still here, but as soon as you get past these rocks and into the water, you're then swept along by the current. Quite funny to sit and watch people trying to get out sometimes. So we're just gonna stand here and wait for Billy and Amy to come round, and then we'll be out. Looks like we've been waiting for Amy and Billy one side of the rock, and they've been waiting for us the other side of the rock.
They're waiting for us there.
You've been here ages.
How long have you been there?
Ages.
And we've just been going round and stopping every single one.
We've been going around stopping,
I don't know. Are you going back in?
Yeah, I'll take you one more.
Right, we're going to go in.
Yeah.
So we need to arrange somewhere to meet or something if we get split up.
Somewhere, probably ain't got any phones or anything. Or...
Here we go.
You alright, aren't you?
That's it, we're in. Feet off the floor and we're going round. Oh.
We got the waves again.
Oh my goodness. Apologies for any water on the lens or any dodgy camera work, but we're in the rapids. It gets really busy in here at times. That's normally the point we go in the lazy river. We'll just do a little lap and then see what we've been doing for the last half an hour. Again, you can see the theming's great all the way around, and there's loads and loads of exits you can get off at into different parts of the park. You can use it almost as a little transport route. Get from one bit of the park to another. Some bits of it are quite flat, some bits of it are quite flat but very fast, some bits of it are quite rough. And as I say, there's a wave that's released every lap. We're going to get there. So the kiddies are getting out. We're going to ride some rides, so we're just getting back in. Then have another ride round, another lap. So as soon as you get, probably see the current over there, so as soon as you get in current as well. Come on, Floco. You're in. There you go, feet up, and just have a leisurely float round. See the volcano up there, but actually go underneath the volcano a couple of times. See the log flume and the guys going through. Do what? Here we are. The gruesome twosome on tour. We're underneath the volcano now. So you can see some of the tubes, some of the lights. When that music sounds, it means the waves coming up from the sea in the distance. Just been released, so we've just missed it this lap. So we'll get it, we're guaranteed to get it next lap round. And then you have a bit of a choppy bit of a choppy section. It is fun though, you can just literally just float around here for ages. You can probably see on the sides as well, there's lifeguards about every 20 yards, something like that. So it's very well supervised, shall we say. Somebody's kiddie having fun. Going into a bit of a fog bank. Oh! The waves obviously just been released behind us because we've lifted up. Here we go. Whoa. When you've been around a few laps, you sort of know where the fast spots are on the inside or the outside of the bends, and if you get into them, they really sort of sweep you around. Oh, lost play. Lost play in the fog. You alright, madam? Yeah, this is another exit. Just want to kick onto a bit of a beach. You see there's lots of chairs and stuff. You never never need to worry about getting a chair or a lilo or whatever you want to call them. There's just hundreds and hundreds of them. When we used to go to, what was the other water park we used to go to? When we used to go to Aquatic, we used to hire a cabana. I think they're about $250, $300 a day, but you get your own deck chairs, you get your own fridge. It's very secure. You've got a lockable cabinet and you get drinks and free water and stuff like that. So the intention was when we first came here was to do the same, but you really don't need it because there's just deck chairs and lilacs and stuff all over the place. You just never sure to find a chair. You can obviously move around during the day and go to a different part of the park and put your towel down, and again you're never for sure to finding somewhere to sit, so we don't bother with a cabana here, although there are plenty about. I think the big difference here, without wishing to seem tight, is I think some of the cabanas here, particularly the ones overlooking the beach, about 500 quid, and sorry, $500 for a day is just didn't worth it for us, because we tend to come here for early opening. We'll do probably 3 hours, possibly 4 hours, but midday we'll head back to the hotel for something to eat or a rest, or just a shower and a proper shower in the dry before we go out to the parks again a bit later. Tonight is going to be very different because we're going to Halloween Horror Nights tonight. So that's the first time we will have gone to that particular event. Anyway, I'm going to shut the filming off for a bit now because we've done a complete lap, and I'll come back to you when we get out and do something different. Here comes the wave. You can see it going all the way down there. It gets tighter down there, so the wave actually gets bigger. So that's fun. So here we are moving from the rapids into the lazy river. We have to go down this little ramp and collect tube at the bottom, so you have to be in a tube to ride this ride. And as you can see, they're floating around all the while, so there's no waiting for a tube. So we'll just grab one and then we'll run around this. Here we are on our rings. We're just going to float down the lazy river. This one's very sedate compared to the rapids. For a bit of a blistering hot day, cool down. So close we are there to the Volcano Bay hotels, one of the towers. Very impressive, we must have some fantastic views out of that. There's one side there, view the Volcano Bay Park, and on the other side I've got views of the studio. Not bad. Enjoying the vegetation up here. Pick the side, any side.
Wow! I think that's the rainy flower!
These little rain falls every now and again. I presume that's to make sure you're not falling asleep on the rings. That wind's cold. Yeah. leave that one. Right, so we're just going to have a saunter around here and not catch you later. When we come past the kiddies play area, the kiddies have all got water fountains and things, so they're trying to do it as we go past. Robbie! Hopefully!
Going through the back.
We're going through the fountain.
Waterfalling.
Hey! Again, parts of this drive go underneath the volcano itself. Today the kids have an absolutely great time, loving it. Even if you're not into water parks and big rides and things like that, come to somewhere like this where you can just, you know, relax, floating around on water, it's pretty special.
We're going to crash into an island. Straight through the waterfall.
Oh yeah? Go on then. We're going to get wet, folks.
Get there.
No avoiding that one. And then we're back out into the daylight.
That's really fierce.
Yeah. Yeah. Wear shut, just make sure you can't fall asleep on the rings.
That absolutely pummels you.
There we are. Catch you later. So here we are on the beach, as it were, the wave pool. See if I can see a quick spin round. You can see all the cabanas and things.
Oh, that's that one.
But this is this is the main wave pool. The waves aren't happening at the minute, or it's just very low ones. To the volcano is the main feature. It actually lights up fantastic at night and spews water that looks like fire out the top. Plenty of people making use of it. But as I say, even though it may look like there's lots of people here and lots of chairs taking it, you can clearly see that the chairs are back quite away and there's loads to spare. The only thing I would say that we need to be mindful of this is the fact that it's blooming cold. So compared to the other things, compared to the other pools and wherever you end up at the bottom of the ride, this is proper cold. Claire's been very brave there and venturing in. I'm not. But yeah, very good. here we are, down the escalators. Not really sure of any other water parks that we've been to that have got escalators coming in and out. You can just see everybody's coming in. It's just gets busier and busier and busier, and by about sort of 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's absolutely rammed, and you're having to book rides on every on all the rides. Sorry, you've got to book in advance on the rides, and then you've got to wait for your time slot, and it just seems to drag out a little bit. So we like to come away and do something else. So when you come up the other side of that wall, which is a slope, you just basically wait for your transport to come. So our coach is always number 2, and it goes to Lowe's Portofino, or Lowe's Portofino, and then on to the Hard Rock Hotel. So we just literally wait here for the coach to come. As you can see, hotel, convention centres, car parks, but all around Orlando, all around Florida, it all looks very, very similar. Lots and lots of green grass, lots of palm trees, lots of lakes, but all, as you can see from this, you know, there's traffic here all day, and it's just very, very clean. So that's it. We're just going to hang fire now, wait for our coach. I run sort of every 10 minutes, so we won't have a long wait, and then we'll be back at the hotel before we know it. So this might not be our buzz, but you can just to show you what the buzzes look like. They're very big. So, yeah, we're waiting for ours. So we waited about 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, and the buses are a bit backed up because it's Labour Day weekend. Traffic's very heavy apparently on the main roads, but nevertheless, as I say, it came within 5, maximum 10 minutes, and now we're inside an air-conditioned bus, which I think will probably stay here for another 5-10 minutes, and then it will make its way back.